this video, we'll take a look at the 3D layers. The 3D layers allow us to control all kinds of deformations through a slider. For example, if we have already refined the wrinkles on the face but need to change the overall shape of the head, we can quickly turn off the details using the 3D layers, and once the head shape is adjusted, we can turn them back on. Let's look at the Layers palette, which can be found as a sub-palette in the Tool menu. To create a new layer, simply click the small plus button. The 3D layer will immediately save all your changes and adjustments. This is illustrated by the icon Rec. When we start sculpting now, we can adjust the deformation that has occurred using the slider to increase or decrease it. To stop recording the layer, we click the Rec icon again. 3D layers store geometry deformations, polypaint, and masks. For example, we can save certain specific poses or facial expressions and later define them as custom blend shapes in our 3D application. We can easily toggle the layers on and off by clicking the eye-shaped icon. Here, we can rename the layers. Sort and delete the layers. If a layer is deleted, all of the associated changes to the 3D model will also be lost. If we want to collapse all layers while still retaining the modifications, we can click on Bake All, and the layer information will transfer to our base model. In the next video, we'll take a look at the Z modeler.